everybody, this is Untitled Chapter. Today we're installing 2017 Lexus NX series, NX200. Okay, originally the car does not come with the navigation system. Okay, originally the car comes with the smaller screen is right here. We changed this one to 10.25 inches high definition screen. This system is fully compatible with all the original feature. You can see that it's right here. You can original menu is right here. Everything is fully compatible. Okay. This is the original menu here. It's fully compatible with all the original features like the radio.
Number 4.
And all the steering wheel control here, okay? Also fully compatible with the command button here. You can also use this command button to control the interface. How to switch between the new interface and the original interface? Just hold the manual button for a couple seconds. And then you will be able to switch between the original interface and the new interface. This is the original interface. Every time when you use the system, you need to change the car to AUX mode auxiliary. Okay, I'm gonna show you. This is AUX mode. Go to media, AUX mode. Okay, and then you can just hold the menu button for a couple of seconds and then switch back to the new interface. Okay, this one also comes with the built-in navigation system. The navigation system does not require any Wi-Fi. It's built in. It's offline map as well. Okay, how to use the navigation? Just click on the bottom right corner here, and then you can click on the new road, and then you can enter the address here. All right, it's very straightforward. All right, and then just click on the menu, and then you come with many features here. You can also download any of the application to the system as well. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see a little bit better. Also come the video in motion. You can also play the movie here.
I'm dealing with the future of the planet.
You can also make it full screen. It's fully compatible with all the original features. It's very nice. Pull down a little bit, you can see the home button here. You also support the Google Map here. The Google Map also support the voice control. For example, you can go back. Bring me to gas station. And then it will show you the navigation system here. Other than that, you also support the video in motion.
East towards Shepherd Avenue East.
Perfect. Okay. And you also support the 2B, Netflix, YouTube, everything is right here. Carplay also comes with the built-in wireless Apple CarPlay. Let's talk about some of the hardware specification of the system first. This system comes with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage memory. It also comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset. That means it's really fast. It also supports 4G as well. It also supports the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto at the same time. This is the YouTube right here. This one also supports the YouTube. Okay, you can also access to the internet here. This one also comes with the internet browser. You know, so basically, you can also delete this one. Okay, and then you can also go to the internet browser here. This is very nice. You can also access to the internet here. This is the internet browser here. I'm gonna show you how to use the Apple CarPlay. First of all, you need to bring out your system. First of all, you need to bring out your iPhone. Go to Bluetooth. Okay, and then search the unit. Go to Bluetooth here. CarPlay. Alright, press ready for. Okay, and then you need to connect BNF.
GPS signal lost.
Alright, right here. And then pair. Allow. Perfect. And the system will connect to the Apple CarPlay, wireless Apple CarPlay. For the first time, it might take a little bit longer. Okay. So basically, you can also make a phone call here, and then you can also go to the GPS here. It will also show you the WhatsApp here and Spotify everything on the screen here. You also support the Waze here, YouTube Music. If you want to go back to the main menu, then just click on the car. And then you're also fully compatible with the original backup camera. You can see that it's very nice. It's the original camera is right here. Okay. Okay, and then this one is the Lexus manual. Okay, okay. All right, then this is the YouTube here. You can also download any application to the system as well. Okay, so basically, in order to change the setting here, you can just go to here, go to advanced setting, 8868123. Okay, okay, and then you can also change the car setting here. Front camera, if your car comes with the front camera, you can also turn on the front camera too. The car camera, if the first camera is not, if the first setting doesn't work, then you can change the second setting here. Okay, and then go back here. You can also change the volume setting right here, and then you can also change the language here too. Volume, Wi-Fi, you can also connect to the Wi-Fi. Just keep that in mind, wireless Apple CarPlay cannot be worked together as the Wi-Fi hotspot, because wireless Apple CarPlay, they use the Wi-Fi to transfer the data. Okay, if you want to use to watch the YouTube or Netflix, then you need to connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot. Okay, perfect. If there's any question, you can feel free to contact us, Octa-Core. This system can also be purchased from our website, www.octa-core.com. If you guys have any question, please feel free to contact us, Octa-Core. We will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.